Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. As you all know, 25th is the exam date of KCET. Now problem is that within this small time, how I can prepare. Most of the student is asking me, ma'am, how I can prepare. There is very less time now. So that's why this video for you, and please watch this video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest notification and update about UGC NET and the SET. Especially if you are computer science learner, then definitely this channel is for you, because so many quick revision videos is available for you. I am showing the videos here. All the videos are available for quick revision, computer organization, DBMS, networking, operating system, artificial intelligence, software engineering, programming, TOC, graph theory, propositional logic. So many videos are available for you, even also for the paper 1 also. You can practice the paper 1 question also here. Paper 1 understanding also is there. So now I am telling you that how to prepare and what you can do quickly. First of all, syllabus. So the syllabus, what I see the syllabus, there is the computer science syllabus. It is totally same as the UGC NET syllabus. What I am covering, what we are covering for the UGC NET preparation. So definitely syllabus is same. Next one is question pattern, because whenever you are going to attempt some exam, definitely there you have to understand the question pattern. So that the mock test is definitely important. So what you can do, try to attempt the mock test. How you can attempt the mock test? That's why I am showing. Go to the question paper and answer key. So if you click, you can see the previous year's question and answer key. Go here and download the question paper and attempt it as your mock test. Not solving. I am not telling you to go for the solution first. Don't go for the solution first. Attempt it just like your mock test. Now you have more than 10 days. So every day you can attempt one mock test at least for your paper 2 and one mock test for your paper 1. So I will suggest that start from at least 2015. Download the question paper of 2015. Do it for 2 hours and after that match with answer key. Then what are the question you are not able to solve? Search it and do it. Then go for the next. In that way you can do your quick revision also. Your preparation also will be done and you will be able to understand the pattern of the KCET. That is very important when you are going to attempt the question, when you are going to attempt any exam, then you have to understand the question pattern of KCET. And before attempting the exam, if you want that you have to do the quick revision, then you can refer this video. All the playlist is available for you. You can refer this video from this channel. After that, if you are feeling that yes, I am getting some problem, I am facing some issue, that these are the question I am not able to understand how to solve it, then please let me know in the comment section. If you want that I should prepare some videos for the solution of the KCET previous year's question, then definitely I will prepare it, and I can take some doubt clearing session also for that, from where you are getting some problem and which area you are getting some problem. But it is depending up to you, how much videos you are sharing with this video and how much view I am getting, how much comment I am getting, how much interested students are interested for that. According to that I will take the decision. So these are the some few tips for you. First of all, go for the easy part. Go for that part what you have done already. Don't go for any new part, because this is not the time to learn any new topic. Don't do this mistake. And definitely this time is for practice and revision. So quick revision and quick practice only can be happen through the mock test. And definitely don't go for any other mock test. Go for the previous year's question of KCET only, because this is the exam. You have to understand the pattern and you have to understand that how they are asking question. So when you are attempting the question, then you can do the analysis also from which area how they are asking question. Then prepare that area, prepare this type of question. Maybe same question they will not repeat, but this type of question they will repeat. So these are the tips, and please let me know in the comment section what you want, how I can help you for the KSET, what types of help you needed from me, so that within this 10 days I can help you guys. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and please share this video as much as possible with your friend, those who are attempting the KSET. And it is depending on you that how much request is coming. According to that I will take my next decision. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you soon in my next video.